Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd is a leading provider of 3D scanning services in Panaji. With their state-of-the-art technology and expertise, they offer accurate and high-quality scanning solutions to various industries. Whether it's for architectural purposes, product design, or manufacturing, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd has the capabilities to capture detailed and precise 3D scans. One of the key advantages of 3D scanning services is the ability to capture the geometry of an object with great precision. Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd utilizes advanced scanners that can capture even the smallest details, ensuring that the resulting 3D model is an accurate representation of the object in question. This level of accuracy is crucial in industries such as automotive, aerospace, and healthcare, where precision is of utmost importance. Another benefit of 3D scanning services is the ability to create digital replicas of physical objects. This can be particularly useful in industries such as product design and manufacturing, where prototypes and molds need to be created. By scanning an existing object, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd can create a digital model that can be used for further design iterations or for creating molds directly through additive manufacturing techniques. Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd offers a wide range of 3D scanning services in Panaji to cater to different industry needs. They have the capability to scan objects of various sizes, from small components to large-scale structures. Additionally, they offer both handheld and stationary scanning options, allowing for flexibility in capturing objects in different environments. In addition to their technical expertise, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd also prides itself on its commitment to customer satisfaction. They work closely with their clients to understand their specific requirements and deliver customized solutions accordingly. Their team of skilled professionals ensures that the scanning process is efficient and accurate, resulting in high-quality 3D models that meet or exceed client expectations. In conclusion, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd is a reliable provider of 3D scanning services in Panaji. With their advanced technology, expertise, and commitment to customer satisfaction, they are well equipped to meet the scanning needs of various industries. Whether it's for product design, manufacturing, or architectural purposes, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd can deliver accurate and high-quality 3D scans that enable businesses to enhance their processes and improve their